Welcome to Dr. Imran's official. Today we will discuss anatomy of human eye. In humans, specialized sense organ capable of receiving visual images, which are then carried to the brain. The parts of the eye that are visible externally include the following. Sclera. It is a white, visible portion. It is made up of dense connective tissue and protects the inner parts. Conjunctiva. It lines the sclera and is made up of stratified squamous epithelium. It keeps our eyes moist and clear and provides lubrication by secreting mucus and tears. Cornea. It is the transparent, anterior or front part of our eye, which covers the pupil and the iris. The main function is to refract the light along with the lens. Iris. It is the pigmented, colored portion of the eye, visible externally. The main function of the iris is to control the diameter of the pupil according to the light source. Pupil. It is the small aperture located in the center of the iris. It allows light to enter and focus on the retina. The internal structure of an eye. The internal components of an eye are lens. It is a transparent, biconvex lens of an eye. The lens is attached to the ciliary body by ligaments. The lens along with the cornea refracts light so that it focuses on the retina. Retina. It is the innermost layer of the eye. It is light sensitive and acts as a film of a camera. 3 layers of neural cells are present in him. They are ganglion, bipolar and photoreceptor cells. It converts the image into electrical nerve impulses for the visual perception by the brain. Optic nerve. It is located at the posterior portion of the eyes. The optic nerves carry all the nerve impulses from the retina to the human brain for perception. Aqueous humor. It is